In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. If you've ever tapped a profile photo and seen it enlarge, or noticed others can press and hold to view a bigger version, it's natural to wonder if there's a way to turn that off. Here's the clear truth up front. Instagram doesn't currently provide a dedicated switch to disable profile picture zoom for viewers. The zoom behavior is built into how the app displays profile photos, and on most versions, there's no native toggle to stop it entirely. That said, it's still worth checking your app's options, since Instagram updates interfaces frequently and settings can roll out at different times. Open Instagram. Head to your profile and enter Settings and Privacy. Browse through areas like Privacy, Account, and Accessibility. If your version has any control related to enlarging profile photos, it would typically live in one of those sections and be labeled clearly. If you don't see a control that explicitly mentions profile picture zoom, that means it isn't available on your device or region at this time. Because there's no official in-app switch today, the most reliable things you can do are about limiting access and managing expectations. Keep your app updated so you're first to get any new settings Instagram may introduce. Avoid third-party apps or browser extensions that claim to block zooming. They often don't work as promised and can put your account at risk. If your goal is to reduce how much detail others can see, consider using a simpler profile image or one taken from a bit farther away, so zooming reveals less. If you're concerned about who can view your profile photo at all, making your account private restricts visibility to approved followers, which is the strongest control Instagram offers today. If zooming is bothering you only on your own phone, remember that device-level accessibility zoom features can also magnify content. Those settings live in your phone's system preferences and affect every app, not just Instagram. Only adjust them if you're comfortable changing how zoom works across your device. Finally, if you think you should have a toggle but don't see it, try basic upkeep. Update Instagram, force quit, and relaunch the app, and sign out and back in. You can also check Instagram's Help Center for the latest guidance or report feedback directly in the app to request a profile photo zoom control. That's it. You now understand what's possible today and how to handle profile picture zoom on Instagram with confidence.